When we travel, we often eat on the run, and if you ask me what is the fast food dish to absolutely taste in England, I will respond, a good fish and chips with a tasty tartar sauce. To prepare the chips, peel 1 kilogram of potatoes. Cut them into big enough pieces. Cook them in boiling water for 10 minutes to soften them, so we will get soft inside and crispy outside chips. Remove them and let them dry while preparing the tartar sauce. Finely mince a shallot. Cut in 2 small chunks. 2 pickled gherkins, 2 teaspoons of capers. Mince the parsley. In a mixing bowl, put 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of mustard at room temperature, a little of a lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, some ground pepper. Combine all together. Then gradually add 20 centiliters of vegetable oil. Finally add the shallots, the capers, the pickles, and the parsley. Mix with a spatula. Keep the tartar sauce in the fridge. Now prepare the batter. Sift 100 grams of wheat flour, 50 grams of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper. Mix all together. Gradually add 20 centiliters of beer. Let the batter rest while continuing the preparation. Cut the fish fillet into pieces. Remove the fish bones if needed. Fry the potatoes in oil at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Now we can fry the fish in the same oil, still at 180 degrees. For that, put each piece of fish previously dry with paper towel in wet flour. Remove the excess flour. Put it in the batter. Drain the excess of butter. Put it slowly in the oil. Let fry for 2 minutes. Flip them and put the chips back in the oil to make them crispy. After 4 minutes, the fish is cooked. Remove them. For the chips, let them fry 1 minute more. Like English people, enjoy with some vinegar. The crust is crispy and thin. The fish inside is tender. The tartar sauce brings a lot to the dish. Salty, acidity, the taste of the herbs. Hard to stop eating. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.